Good morning. The earth says hello.
Good morning.
We've got a new superstar in the house this morning. He's Instagram famous.
I've really upset a certain category of loser men. It's my favourite hobby.
Look at the state of me this morning. Well, it's Saturday morning, and Saturdays normally mean one thing, and that is Muay Thai and Jiu-Jitsu. It's not serious for me, but it's serious for her.
It is serious for you. You're an emotional sports human.
Yeah, exactly.
Serious job.
I wanted to get more into vlogging, so here we are. We're doing more of that. We've got the new camera. We've got the new setup here, the A7 IV. I'm fucking buzzing to have it.
Loud.
And the dog. It's fine. Maybe now's not the time to film, but we're just having some breakfast, doing some bacon quickly, and then we're going to head to the gym. Molly's also on the vlog today, as in she's... Can we... Hold on. Oh yeah, I can just do that. Nice. She's vlogging today. So yeah, that's that really. Obviously, Nala's being a menace. What you seen? I was just thinking actually, I can have to be a little bit more careful now, out in public. Oh, gonna need security for you. Teach. It's been raining, man. Jesus Christ, it's so bright. Da 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 da. All I want is your wonga. Let's tango, baby. Wine your waist for me. I'll pass you that. It's still recording, actually.
What's that?
Right. I wanted to get the tisms.
Focuses so well.
Yeah, it does.
Bargain bucket. Sitting higher up.
Training's done. I had a spontaneously great session. Bit of Muay Thai.
You never know what kind of session you're going to get with martial arts, do you? It could literally destroy your ego and soul, or it could just make you feel like the goddamn man.
Yeah, sometimes it's really fucking shit, but there is no good without bad. There's no gauge. But I was saying yesterday, I had quite a low day yesterday in terms of like self-belief and all that bollocks. And I was saying to Molly how like I'm really struggling because it's a new gym and it's obviously like a professional fighting gym. I'm just doing this shit for fun. So I mean, I say I'm doing it for fun, but obviously me being me, I want to do things. I want to do things well, and I want to be good at, good at what I do. And I'm not getting a lot of feedback. It feels like, and that's been really hard for me because I mean I feel like I never really got much feedback during gym anyway. Hold on. It's so bright. Yeah, man. Right, we just randomly, there's just loads of bikes.
Yeah, to be fair, like, good bit of feedback is like, yep, okay, yep, good. Like, that's about as far as you get, unless you communicate that you sort of need more. So I have let them know. I'm like, listen, I'm an emotional girl. I will internalise everything possible as self-doubt.
Yeah.
So they're a bit more vocal with me, but you got a lot today.
Today I had a lot of feedback, and a lot of people, like, rubbing my ego, so it feels nice. Yeah, overall, I'm really pleased with today's session. I just feel a bit battered. Alright, good morning. Holy shit, that was hot. It's Sunday the 14th of July. It's about 20 to 8 right now. Oh, fuck. I wanted to get up. I got up early this morning. Molly's still asleep, so I'm probably not going to speak too loud. But got up this morning because I want to take Nala for a walk. She's in desperate need of a big walk. And I kind of felt the urge to get up early, even though I didn't really set myself up for the best morning, because I went to bed at about 1:45. We're going to get after it. We're going to walk the dog, then we're going to go virgin. We're going to have a sauna. We're going to have a sauna and a steam room. Have a little date for this morning, just to kind of relax the bodies. And then I don't really know what the rest of the day holds for us. We're probably just going to hang out. We're going to go for dinner later, and then little man's back. So yeah, lots of things to do at the moment. It's all getting quite hectic. Work's starting to build up, and then we've got some really big work in August that needs to be sorted. I need certificates and all that crap sorted. So yeah, man, today it's just a fairly relaxed Sunday, getting ready for Monday. I need to take the dog out. Wait. Nala, come. Instant. Sit. Yes. Wait. Break. Break. Good girl. See, she's a good dog. She's a really good dog. So we just got back from the gym, 30 minutes in the proper sauna. So I did 10 minutes in the sauna, 10 minutes in the steam room, and then there's like a middle ground sauna, which is... Huh? A solarium. All right, there you go. In the solarium, I did 10 minutes in there, and then I did another 2 minutes in the normal sauna. Honestly, I was going to do 5, and I felt ruined. But I feel good now. It was a nice little sweat. Molly's just getting changed. I'm probably going to get changed because I got a nice little thrift store find of a shirt. Hold on, let me get it. It's nothing too fancy. It's just a little blue shirt. But you know, I don't wear shirts too often because I dress like a 18-year-old boy sometimes, and I realise that I'm now nearly 30, so I should probably start wearing some shirts a little bit more. But this one was nice. It was £3.95. You just can't go wrong, mate. Walk the dog, we've had some breakfast. It is now like 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock? We are late out the door.
We are late. It was around about 7 when I walked the dog. No, actually it wasn't, that's a lie. It was about 7:45. Finished the walk at about 9. Just off to the gym. We'll probably do about 2 hours. I've got kids club as well, so. And today for me it's just more of like a body weight thing. Say hello then. Say hello.
Hello.
So on a Monday, I've started doing a new thing where I do more of a stretch, and I do more like rehab stuff on my neck and my back, and generally just a bit of like body maintenance. And then I'll do like gymnastics specific conditioning, just like muscle ups, chin ups, body weighted stuff basically. Nothing too heavy, just to kind of kick the week off. Yeah, exactly.
So like I max out those 2 hours, but sometimes it's not long enough to get everything in, is it? Especially if you're doing like a good warm up or a good mobility or stretching,
no, exactly.
All the accessory exercises. And
a bit.
Your omelette?
Huh?
How was your omelette?
My omelette. My omelette was fabulous. Thank you. Top chef.
Rate it out of 10.
I said 8.
A steady 8.
Yeah, because it had everything I needed in it.
Right, room to improve. Give it to me.
It's doing rainbows.
Well, I don't actually think there is room to improve.
Well, why is it not 10?
I suppose.
Listen.
I've never been given a 10, nor have I ever really given 10s out, because then you maybe get complacent.
Rank me at 10.
You?
Yeah.
About 12.
That's what I was looking for.
What was I doing? It is, what day are we on? It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday no, it's the 16th because it's Prime Day. Tuesday the 15th. It is around 2:30 at the moment. We are just about to head off to the... It's the 16th? Yeah. 16th. We're about to head off because I've got a haircut because, my God, I need a haircut so bad. This mullet is grown out and I just... it's not for me. Little man's getting his haircut, so I'm going to go pick him up now. And yeah, when we get back, we'll have a fresh trim. It feels so much better, honestly. The difference it makes is wild. What's going on, guys? Sorry, it's been a hot minute. Obviously we've had a fresh trim. That was still today. It's the evening now. I don't even know what time it is. Actually, it's 20 to 10 now. We're gonna go to bed. It's been a long day. We've done a lot of things. It's been a busy day. I've got work in a couple of days. I have sorted the forms for some big work coming up. So it's been hectic, it's been crazy. I haven't filmed much, but that's kind of just the way these things go sometimes. Also, I absolutely yeeted a piece of my finger off this evening. I've had a clumsy couple of days, but I'm absolutely knackered now, so we're going to go to bed. Hello, we've got a busy day tomorrow as well. It's been a hot minute since we didn't film anything yesterday. I certainly didn't film anything yesterday. I've just been doing some editing for a client. Just got to wait on some hard drives to be ordered, really, and then I can finish it off for them, send it off, and then we're done with that job. We've got two big jobs coming up. We have athletics tomorrow and Saturday that we're filming with the BBC, and then the weekend after that is BBC again, and I'm doing a triathlon. I'm not doing a triathlon. I'm camera opping for a triathlon. So. Yeah, man, it's been quite a hectic month. It's been good. It's been a hectic couple of months, actually, but it's moving in the right direction. It's all moving in the directions that I would really like it to move in. Money's good so far, again, moving in the direction that I want it to move in. And yeah, man, I'm really enjoying it at the moment. It is stressful. It does feel like a lot, but and it's big change. It's been big changes, but I'm really happy. I'm manifesting the things that I want, and they're kind of coming true now. Anyway, I'm out.
Look at the one. Okay, is it focused on you?
Yeah, we're in the car now. We're all packed up. We're on our way down to Essex. Is there a spot focusing on? No, it's not. It's 20 to 10. We're going to get in for about 10 past 11. I've got to be up at, I don't know, I'll probably get up at like 7ish tomorrow. Yeah, to be fair, I don't have to be up that early, but I'll probably be up that early anyway, and that's the little routine.
We've got a child with us, so.
Yeah, exactly. But I'm really excited to see my mum and dad. It's been a while, because, well, not that anyone knows, but I moved out recently, so I can't really bring a camera to what I'm doing tomorrow because I'm working in Stratford for the BBC. It feels nice to say. So I always get a little bit nervous when I go into the unknown.
Talk more about the nerves. How does it feel in your body?
Well, my chest hurts. It makes my chest hurt a little bit. And
what colour do you feel?
Blue.
Blue.
Yeah. In the car.
I do keep trying to remind him to vlog, but life's busy,
It is.
and there's not always moments to vlog. Like, we're not putting his face online or anything really, are we? So sometimes it gets a bit tricky, and sometimes we want to just be present with each other, but I do keep reminding him for you.
I'm really enjoying it in the format of like doing it over the spread of a week, because I feel like you get more information on what we're doing and it's not samey. Because if we woke up and went to the gym, it'd be a little bit boring, but you get to see a snippet of our week. And what a working week looks like as well, and maybe what a week of not working will look like. They're my favourite. Quite mad to think that that's where I'm working today and tomorrow. Feeling big work. I've just got here, well, I say I've just got to Stratford about half hour early. I like to be early to these things, to be honest, because they're normally a little bit fiddly, either to get in the venues or just to find like where I should get in. It is absolutely scorching day, it's beautiful. Not my favourite to work in, just because obviously it's the blaring sunshine and I'll be sweating and moving heavy kind of stuff around, but I can't really complain because we've had shite weather for so long now, so I mean, this is beautiful. There again.
Hello everyone, my name is Odin at the T-Rex Odin.
Oh, nice. Alright, that's probably going to be the end of this video now. It's now Monday, and I'm aware that I didn't really film a lot on the weekend, but this video is probably going to be quite long. There's a lot to edit, there's a lot to go through. Yeah, I didn't really get much time to film anything over the weekend. It was quite hectic, quite busy with family and work and stuff, but it was good. The Diamond League was something I've never done before. It was the first time I've worked for the BBC, which felt really cool, really monumental. I might have already mentioned that, but I don't mind saying it again because it is what it is. It's pretty cool. For this week, we go off to a triathlon and more stuff with BBC, I do believe, or I'm not sure what network I'm filming with this weekend, but it's the P100 or the T100. I think it might be the T100 triathlon. Anyway, enough of that. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, leave a comment, leave a like. If there's anything you'd like to see, any more you'd like to see of us, just let me know down there. Subscribe if you're new. That's about it, really. Hope you've enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. You know what to do. Make every day count and enjoy life. See you later.